Hello, everybody. Morning. It's Mr. Wad. Today, we're going to deal with our still series of tenses. Now, we're going to start with past simple versus past progressive. We said before that tense means time. So, we should see today the time of the tense of past simple and past continuous of past progressive. Yes. Let's see this. Here we know that we use past simple to express something that happened and vanished. Simply happened yesterday, 2 weeks ago, in 1990, in the past, etc. Yes, short, vanished actions. Happened and vanished in the past. Examples. Here we went to the zoo yesterday. We have here the zoo, went, it's past, and yesterday, past time. Ahmed and Ali visited their uncle last week. We have here last week and visited. So I have two kinds of verb. Visited, regular verb, ends in ed, and went, irregular verb. Like go, went, buy, bought, ring, rang, sing, sang, meet, met, bring, brought, etc. Here, in negative, we use didn't. We didn't meet 2 hours ago. So ago past, so the negative form is didn't, infinitive, didn't meet. In question, where did you play the last match? Here, the most important point, used to. This expression is used to express something that happened in the past as a habit, but now not happening. Like when I say, in the past, I used to smoke, it means I don't smoke now. It's just the past habit which happened and vanished. Right? We can use, as you see, we use used to or would plus infinitive to express something which was a habit for us in the past and we stopped doing it. But bear in mind, we use used to and would the same. Used to play or would play in the past. But with the state of verb, I use only used to, not would. Would never comes with state of verb. Example, I used to like milk when I was young. It's right. But it's wrong to say I would like milk when I was young. Okay? Let's go up. Here, past progressive or past continuous. It's not short action like ed, like passive. It's long action that was interrupted by another. Example, while he was cooking is long action. The telephone rang, short action. So here I have two actions. One is long, which is was cooking, it took some time, and another one which stopped it, or cut it, or interrupted it. The telephone rang. So while he was cooking, the telephone bell rang. As, which has the same meaning like while, as she was studying, someone knocked on the door. Okay? Two actions, one long action was studying, and another short action which stopped it, which is knocked at the door. When is the opposite? After when the short action. When she came, he was sleeping. So I have while, as, just as, are followed by long action like past continuous, and the other one is short action. When is the opposite? When, short action, when she came, he was asleep. Example here, past continuous, which is was, where ing is used with the same yesterday, last night, like past simple. But before it, you will find another time, particular time, like all morning, at this time, at 6 o'clock. So here we were watching TV. So I can say we watched TV yesterday, but we were watching TV all morning yesterday. Okay, in negative, I say wasn't or weren't. Walid wasn't sleeping all this time last night. If it was only last night without at this time, only last night, I will say Walid didn't sleep. But at this time, last night, past continuous, not past simple. So he wasn't sleeping. And these are the rules. When I have as, while, or when, as and while, past continuous, and then past simple. When, past simple, and past progressive. The form is was, were, verb, ing. When I have past time, like last, like yesterday, etc., and before it a particular time, I use was, were, ing. Rewrite. My dad came, I had lunch. Try to guess which one is the long action. Had lunch, and which one is short or happened suddenly? My dad came. So as. After as, I use the long action. As I was having lunch, my dad came. The same idea. My mom took me to the zoo. I want to use used to. We said we use used to plus infinitive. So my mom used to take me to the zoo in the past. But note, if I said be used to, which is am, is, are used to, or get used to, after them comes ing. I am used to going to the zoo. He is getting too used to living in Cairo. It means that this is a present habit. So I have three kinds of used to. Number one, used to, very used to. I used to smoke means I stopped. You will find infinitive, used to infinitive. I am used to smoking means it's a present habit. I do this now. Okay? Or I am getting used to studying in Manor House School. So it's a new present habit, a new present habit for you, right? So these are the three used to you have. Used to infinitive or am, is, or get used to ing. I did my homework, my mom called. Still, I have two actions. Try to guess which one is long action. Did my homework or my mom called? Or do my homework. So this must be past continuous. The when is before long action or short action? Of course, short action. So when mom called me, I was doing my homework. Omar used to hit his friends when he was a student. I want a question, just simply. Used to is past, so ask what did. So did Omar used to or used to hit his friends when he was a student? We played tennis. Our father arrived. The same idea. Which one is long action? Of course, play tennis. So while we were playing tennis, our father arrived. I was the first time on my school, on my class. Used to. After used to comes infinitive. The verb is was. What is the infinitive from was? Be, verb to be. So I used to be the first on my class. Thank you very much. I wish you enjoyed the lesson and wish you all the best of luck. Right? Thank you. Bye bye.